Hey guys, welcome to FlewDew tips and tricks, and I'm going to be showing you today how you can get a timer to show up on OBS Studio. Let's get into it. Right, let's say you want, I don't know, this, and because I'll just use that for now. Right, OBS virtual camera, and say that's like, oh, I'm not live right now, I'll be live in a bit. You go to scripts. I've already got one there, but if you do plus, then it's countdown LUA, I don't know. And then if you set that, then close. I haven't set that up right. Is that a new one? Wait, I'm in the right spot. Yeah, I am. Right here. Right, I've got one step. I'll quickly fix that now. Text. Don't worry about doing anything in there. And do tools, scripts. There's only one text here, and it's not picking it up. Fun times. Let's rename it to something else. Test, tools, test, scripts. Okay, we've got that. Test. There. You might have to count it in sometimes. As you can see, you've got a fully working time, and if you want to crop it down for like a better size, you can have like that. Like down there, counting down, and then when you obviously start stream, it'd be cool if there was a way to make it do that as soon as it finishes. Or you can have it like that, by the way. There's a few other options. Like if you really wanted the hours there, it's up to you, and then you just put it up there, and the stream starts pretty much. And I would recommend something like that. Well, it depends if you're using a stream. If you're doing something else, not a stream, then use it a different way. Like, there's plenty of stuff you can do with this, though. Like, I just started doing a screen on like YouTube or Twitch streams. That's one of the ways you could use it, or you could generally just use it to come down to when you want to record your video. Like, say you have that counting down, and as soon as it finishes, you press start recording. That's when you start recording, obviously. And yeah, then wing it from there and see where it goes. Anyway, there'll be more tips videos like this. I know nobody asked for this, but if you have any suggestions what I should do next, comment them down below. And yeah, the OBS one. The first one is done. Goodbye.